The objective of this Membership Services Coordinator job is to process membership applications, provide membership cards and receipts, and provide telephone customer service to members. The equipment used includes a desk, file cabinets and overhead cabinets, a computer, a monitor, a wired keyboard, a wired mouse, a wrist rest, a phone and phone stand, an adjustable height chair with adjustable height armrests, a card printer, an extra table that is set up and used as is necessary. The tools used include a stapler, tape, pens. The materials used include paper documents, membership cards. The work environment is an inside work environment with heat and air conditioning. The worker observed was 5 feet 2 inches tall. The work tasks for the Observed Membership Coordinator job include process member applications, download online membership purchases daily, respond to general membership concerns, i.e. new cards, payment refunds, renewals, and membership upgrades. All correspondence is documented in the database. Monitor membership email account for correspondence. Coordinate membership payment, refunds, and credit card denials with the accounting department. Process returned member mail. Print and mail membership cards. Create reports and quality check member spreadsheet. Coordinate volunteers to assist with mailing. The observed worker estimated the time allocation for the Membership Services Coordinator is as follows. 95% of time is spent using the computer to complete work tasks. 50% of time is spent using the telephone. The card printer is used 2 to 3 days per week for 75% of the day. The worker regularly sits at the desk for 3+ hours at a time. There were several ergonomic risk factors observed for the Membership Services Coordinator position. Repeated and sustained exertions were rated as a medium pace. Hands were in constant steady motion and exertion while completing work tasks. Sustained exertions were observed and included sitting at the desk to use the computer, respond to phone inquiries, assemble mailings, and print membership cards. Arms positioned over the keyboard while typing or using the mouse. Continuous neck lateral bending or sideways bending while cradling the phone between the head and the shoulders and typing. Holding the phone with the left hand while using the mouse with the right hand. Forceful exertions were required to use the keyboard and mouse. Fold documents for mailing. Awkward postures were observed and include torso twisting and reaching across the body to answer the phone or use the phone. Lateral neck bending to cradle the phone between the head and the shoulder. Wrist extension or backwards bending to use the mouse. Extended reach to use the phone, keyboard, and mouse. Neck twisting to monitor the phone ring because a visual cue, not an auditory cue, occurs when the phone rings. Forearm pronation to type, use the mouse, and process documents. Elbow flexion to hold the phone to the ear. Neck flexion, or forward bending, while completing tasks on the desk surface, i.e. writing and folding papers. The mechanical or localized contact stress observed was contact stress between the arms and elbow and the desk edge. The recommendations for the Membership Services Coordinator job include: consider using a phone headset to decrease posture stress. Investigate adding computer phone dialing and a computer indicator of incoming calls to the phone service to reduce posture stress. Use the document holder to hold documents when working on the computer to decrease posture stress and contact stress. Investigate sit-stand workstations to reduce static exertions and incorporate posture changes during the workday. Appropriate adjustable keyboard trays and monitor arms will be required to achieve the range of adjustability needed for keying, using the mouse, and viewing the monitor while sitting and standing. Consider utilizing an adjustable keyboard tray, height and tilt, underneath the desk that has enough room for the mouse on the same surface and allows the mouse to be positioned on both the left and right side of the keyboard to reduce posture stress and localized contact stress. Use the mouse with both the dominant and non-dominant hands, or use the mouse with only the non-dominant hand to reduce the repetition and posture stress exposure. As possible, plan work tasks to include a variety of positions and minimize exposure to stressful activities, i.e. computer work, paper review, meetings, filing, phone, etc. Round or pad the edges of the office desk to reduce localized contact stress. Position the card reader closer to the computer when using it, or move closer to the card printer to remove cards to decrease posture stress.